what's some items that it would be good for a person to bring with them if they had planned to either kayak, canoe, or wakeboard, or things like that?
Always first things first, when you're dealing with water safety, you want to make sure you have a life jacket that fits you properly. If you're a child 12 and under, you always have to wear it. Any adult, you always have to have one per adult on the vessel. Otherwise, make sure you got your water. A lot of people will bring, their a little small cooler, some snacks. I like keeping my food light when I'm out on the river, because you typically sunburn a lot easier if you're trying to process a hamburger out there on the water. It's not good for you. Bringing some oranges, or fresh fruits, something to keep you energized. Protein.
Yeah, you
bars,
kind of
like
experience in nature anyway. You want to kind of
absolutely
be a little bit healthy there while you're out there. Now, I don't know, because to tell you the truth, I don't think that I've been in kayaks before. But do they have a little waterproof area, or do you bring something that is waterproof where you can keep a cell phone in case you need it, or something like that?
Absolutely. Some kayaks do. I don't ever trust those dry wells, because they never end up being dry. Water finds its way into anything.
Yeah.
But yes, a dry bag is essential too, especially nowadays. Everybody's got a cell phone, so you want to keep that. They make particular bags that are made for cell phones as well, that could hang around your neck if you really, or maybe you're on call. I got some nurses and people that are on call that come down here sometimes. They don't paddle out too far, but they got to make sure that when they do, they can come back quick. But yeah, a dry bag is an essential part. Your life jacket, snacks.
So it's one that just goes around, and I imagine it floats.
It's got, some of them do have a rim around them that's a little air pocket, but it's got a lanyard. You just hang it on your. It snaps in at the top. And you can still use it, do your touch screen and everything.
Okay,
that's pretty cool.
So maybe a cell phone.